Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to fix auto restart or shutdown problem on Windows PC. So let's get started. So first thing first, what you're gonna do is simply go to the Windows Explorer and right click on it, and then you need to go to the properties. Alright, as you can see guys, our system is 64-bit or 64-bit operating system. So you need to remember which operating system you are using, like x32 bits or x64 bits. So tap on the search bar and then type on run. Alright, just tap on it. Now you need to type in resedit. Alright guys, then you need to expand the H key local machine from here, and then you need to go to the software option right over here. Just tap on it and expand it, and now from here you need to select Microsoft. You need to select the Microsoft and then scroll it down until you find Windows. So let's just go for here real quick, and as you can see, here is the Windows. Again, expand this option. Alright, now you need to simply right click on your mouse on the Windows, and then you'll see new option, and from here you need to tap on key. Alright, then just type in Windows Update as its name and then hit enter. Alright, then again right click on your mouse and then tap on new and again tap on key, and now type in AU. Alright, then hit enter. Again right click on your mouse on the AU and then from here tap on the new, and from here, now if you just remember the first thing, our operating system is 64-bit. For this reason we will select the keyword 64-bit value. Now you need to type no auto reboot with logged on user. All right, like this. Just type exactly like this and then hit enter, and then double tap on it to open this value. And now from here you need to select the value from 0 to 1 and then just go with the OK, and you are done. That is how you can fix the auto restart or shutdown problem in your Windows 11, 10 and any other Windows. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.